that is a take on a traditional dish from my country. I don't do traditional Chilean food. And a lot of people ask me like, why is that? Well, one of the reasons is I think that traditional food is amazing, but it's best had at home. The ingredients here are very different, and flavors sometimes don't go the same with the ingredients that we have at hand. And what we're going to do today, traditionally in Chile, humitas are tamales, and we make them with corn. The corn in Chile is very, very starchy. You can actually thicken an entire soup with corn. The corn here doesn't do that at all. The corn here is very sweet, has a lot of water. I've kind of had ways to come around and get that same flavor profile, but in a different way. So today we're going to make a variation of that tamal recipe, but we're going to turn them into fritters, deep fry them, and then serve them with smoked tomato aioli and a little cherry tomato salsa. And so I'm going to add all of my cornmeal. Here you're looking for something that's going to be thick, but I'm not going to be able to stick my whisk in the middle of it. So at this point, I would just pour it over to a sheet tray, let it cool to room temp, and that's when I have some chopped basil here. We're going to go flour, straight up flour. I like to do a little pinch of salt in my flour just because it gives it a little bit more seasoning. Then egg wash, I always do for like every 2 eggs, I do a few tablespoons of heavy cream in it. Then I like to do panko, and you can usually find this at the supermarket. So you see now you get so much activity in the pot, you really see all that bubbling. That's how you know the temperature is right. But once this is done, you're going to see it's going to be golden brown, and then there's not going to be any more bubbles. And I like to char my corn. I always give it a nice sear. If you have a grill, you can grill it on the cob and then take it off. It's really easy too. Just a few jalapenos for heat. Some scallions. Normally I do onions, but I find that scallions this time of the year, they're just so nice. And then for the dressing, I like to do something that's going to complement the sweetness. You can dress it with anything you like, but I think this goes really well. It's orange juice, lemon juice, lime juice, the zest of everything that you juice, little olive oil, canola oil, and salt. A lot of people make the mistake of not salting fried food when it comes out. So right now when I put it on, that salt's not going to come off, so when you bite into it, you'll get that bite of salt. I'm sure everyone's had some like unsalted fried food at some point. It's like my pet peeve, I hate it.